Okay, so today, last time as we learned network topologies, today we are going to learn about types of network. Okay, what can be the different types of network? Okay, now, first of all, network can be classified on basis of different parameters. Okay, first thing is on what basis? On basis of geographical area. Okay, first thing is on basis of geographical area. Second thing is on the basis of transmission technology. Third thing is on the basis of ownership. Okay. Fourth thing is on the basis of access control. Okay. A type of network, the types of network can be classified on the basis of these four parameters: geographical area, on the basis of transmission technology, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of access control. Okay, these four. Now, on the basis of geographical area, how many types of computer network can exist? Okay, let's start on the basis of geographical area. On the basis of geographical area. So on the basis of geographical area, okay, on the basis of geographical area, the computer network is divided into 5 types. There are 5 types of computer network. Now, if I explain one by one, you will not understand. I will explain these types of network by showing the differences among all of those. Okay? First type, personal area network. Okay? Let me draw a line. Okay. Number. Okay. Okay. Personal area network. Second is local area network. Okay. Third is campus area network. Fourth is metropolitan area network. Fifth is wide area network. Okay. These are 5 types of computer network divided on the basis of geographical area. Why I am saying this? First parameter which we will consider is distance. How much distance? Second parameter which we will take is technology. What technology this is? Okay. Third thing we will consider cost of building up this network. Fourth thing, maintenance of these networks. Fifth thing we will consider as examples. Okay. So this is PAN, not PAN card. It's PAN. Personal area network. Personal area network. So first of all, what is personal area network? Add definition too if you want. Definition also. Okay. Not required. Anyways, there are lot of definition in this because we are telling it on the basis of geographical area. Geographical area is even how much distance it occupies. Okay. So first one is personal area network. Personal area network is owned by a single individual. Me, you, or anyone. Okay? Single individual. What is personal area network? See, there is my device. There is my Google Meet. I am connecting my earbuds to it. Isn't it a network? It is network, correct? And what is network? Network is a connection of 2 or more devices which is sharing some data. I am sharing some data. I am sharing from data to there. And this is using Bluetooth protocol. Okay? Bluetooth protocol, right? And I have a TV remote. The TV is ahead of me. It's sitting in front of me. Okay? I'm just doing channel change. Okay? This is also a network, right? A remote is a device. TV is a device. Now, what is technology used here? Here we are using Bluetooth. This and this one, this is using Bluetooth. There we are using infrared technology. The radiations are infrared radiations, right? Okay. So what is the distance? First of all, this Bluetooth, you won't get signals if you go somewhat far, okay? Like 4 meter, 5 meter, if you go 4 or 5 meter far, right? This Bluetooth connectivity will be lost. Same thing for TV also. Infrared radiations are the radiations which cannot cross walls, right? They are before walls. Okay, the distance of personal area network will be maximum 10 meters. Okay, 33 feet. 33 feet is a maximum distance you can travel. Okay, now, what are the technologies? I told you just now. Bluetooth, infrared. Okay, Bluetooth and infrared are the major use. Ethernet also you can use, but major use technologies are Bluetooth, infrared. Okay, this is for TV. This is for Bluetooth, earphone, earpod to mobile connectivity, anything. Okay, and what is the cost of PAN? Very less. What is the cost of PAN? 1K earphones and 10K phone. That's it. Okay, when compared to all this, right, this is nothing. This is nothing. Okay. You don't require anything. Just okay, simple TV remote and TV, 10,000 TV, 1K remote. That's it. And maintenance. What is maintenance? Maintenance also very less. It can be managed by a single individual. I can only manage. Distance connectivity I can only manage. Okay, if I disconnect it, disconnect. If I connect it, connect. That's it. Right? And what is the example? I told you just now. Bluetooth earpods connectivity. Okay. Connectivity or remote to TV connection. Remote to TV connection. Okay. Now, you understand about personal area network. What is local area network? LAN. LAN is something called local area network. Okay. Biggest example of LAN which is being used today. Home Wi-Fi router. Home Wi-Fi broadband connection. There is a Wi-Fi connected at the one end. 3 to 4 devices are connected to it. Biggest. Now, you know, few huge Wi-Fi's, right? They can range up to 1 kilometer. We have few Wi-Fi's which can range up to 1 kilometer. Okay? Distance is up to 1 kilometer. Okay? Technology. What is technology used here? Okay. As I told router, what does router use? What does it give us? Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the technology here. One more technology is Ethernet. In your offices, right? Majorly you will use Ethernet for LAN connectivity. Okay? What is cost? It's not very less, but it's less. Okay? Less to medium. You can say less to medium. Maintenance is definitely less. Maintenance is very less. See, anytime rarely some issue has been occurred in some router, or anytime rarely an Ethernet cable has been cut. Okay? They won't get cut. So maintenance also less. Once you buy it, done. Okay? It is LAN maintenance is greater than PAN maintenance, right? And LAN cost is also greater than PAN maintenance, but it's less than campus network. I'll explain more. Example. What is the example? Home built-in router broadband connectivity. That's it. Okay. Broadband connectivity in home using router. Or enough, this one is enough. Or in offices, Ethernet. Yeah, Ethernet cable connectivity. Okay. All this. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now, what is campus area network? So, campus area network connects the LAN networks, multiple LAN networks. Now, you have one campus. Okay. You have one campus. You have 4 buildings in the campus. Okay. Example of VIT campus, right? We have one building there. We have one building separate. All users separate routers and Wi-Fi, right? Now, all these LANs, multiple LANs together, they form a single network known as campus area network. Okay. Now, what is the distance? 2 kilometer to 5 kilometer. You can consider 2 kilometer, or you can say 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer to 5 kilometer is the distance of a campus. You know, there are many large campuses, right, in India. They range up to 5 kilometers. So now, what are the technologies they can use? Same Wi-Fi, same Ethernet. Okay. Wi-Fi, Ethernet. These are the technologies only. If you see, they use majorly one more technology which is majorly being used in, because they require high speed. For requiring high speed, they use optical fibers also. See, Ethernet is cheap. They use it within the LAN offices. I mean, they use within the buildings. I mean, if there is a single building, they use Ethernet within the building. To connect building to building, the speed must be fast, so they use optical fibers. Optical fibers as a connection between buildings. They use optical fibers. Okay. Now the cost. Cost is medium. The cost of maintaining a CAN, not maintaining, the cost of building up a CAN is greater than building up a LAN. Okay. And what is maintenance? Medium. Maintenance of campus network is medium. It requires a dedicated team of engineers. Okay. It requires a dedicated team of engineers. See, you have a company, you have, suppose I am working in F5. In F5, I have a team sitting for maintenance of the network in the company. Okay, because my company is a networking company, there need to be a team. If something gets broken down, we are the sufferers. So, definitely the maintenance is medium, but a team is required to maintain that. For LAN, a team is not required. Now you are simply managing this network. No maintenance. Right? Very less maintenance. What is the example? Office buildings, college buildings, college campus you can write. Okay? The name itself says campus area network. The fourth case, metropolitan area network. Metropolitan, the name itself says city, metropolitan city area network you can call it as metropolitan area network. Okay? The range is 5 km to 50 km. Whole Bangalore. This connects entire office buildings, architectures, all networks, right, to a single network. Okay, they all connected in common point. Okay. Now, what are the technologies they are using? Majorly, FDDI, CDDI. What are this? I will explain you after this. Fiber distributed data interface, copper distributed data interface. Okay. For now, you can think fiber distributed data interface something, but they use optical fibers for transmission. Copper nothing, but they use twisted pair of copper cables for transmission. I will explain you after this entire chart. Okay, what is FDDI? What is CDDI? Now, what is the cost? High, bro. Definitely the cost will be very high. Why? They are using large cables. These are networks to connect. These are networks to maintain, and maintenance also very high. Maintenance also high. Example, city network. City network or very large campus network. Nothing but example Jindal Steel Works, right? That is single campus, but it's like a separate city only, bro. It's like a separate city only. Or very large campus network, which is about the size of 25 or 30 kilometers, right? Very large city. Very large campus. That's what you can say. And now, distance of WAN. What is WAN? Wide area network. Very wide. Okay? Very wide. Biggest example, you can say now itself. Internet. Distance greater than 50 km. Now, what is the technology they use? Leased line. Leased line technology. I'll explain what is this after this. Okay? Cost is very high. Leased line, you can say undersea cables. You know, right? Basically, for connectivity sake, between countries to countries, there are actually undersea cables present for the transmission of data, for high-speed transmission of data. You can also write undersea cables. Okay, the cost of WAN is very high. Maintenance, it's out of your brain only. They need to maintain switches, they need to maintain NICs, they need to maintain routers, they need to maintain bridges, these many ISPs, internet service providers. Okay, many things they need to maintain. Example, country to country connectivity, city to city connectivity. That's what you can write. Country to country connectivity under the sea through undersea cables. Okay, correct? Clear about this geographical area? Complete thing. Okay, good now. So friends, if you understood today's class completely, if you have understood today's lecture, please like the video, share the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.